In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a platform where you can earn cool amount of money from simply by working from the comfort of your home, which is called remote job. Now, if you've been following me for quite a while now, realize that about some weeks ago, I dropped an update that was solely for iPhone users. Those that participated in it made some amount of money and are still making money from it now. So if you've not seen that video, you can check the top of your screen here so you can go and check it if you're an iPhone user and you want that update. I also made a follow-up video where I showed business owners how they can make money simply by using Telegram. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money from the comfort of your home simply by doing remote tasks. Remote jobs are the jobs that you do from the comfort of your home or from anywhere you want to work without visiting the office. Unlike 9 to 5, so whereby you have to report yourself to the offices. You can be in your house, you can be in your kitchen cooking, and you can be doing these jobs and be earning some amount of money. So without wasting much of your time, let's head into the platform. The platform is called Luel, and as you can see, this is it. I have registered and signed up on this platform since early this month, and this is an email that they sent to me that I am ready to start earning. So what I want to do next is to tap on this get started. Once I tap on the get started, it's going to take me to the Luel application, and this is basically what you see on the screen. In case you're wondering, why exactly is this website paying you? What they are paying you for is to train AI. As we know, the new meta right now is AI. About some years back, when AI was introduced, they could not generate images. But as of now, you see how well AI is now generating images, and you can see how AI is now even generating videos. This is because they collected some data that they used to train this AI. So that is basically what you're doing on the platform here. So you can do things like recording yourself. They can ask you to perform tasks like maybe you're trying to prepare a coffee, you video it, and then you send to the platform, they reward you for it. They use this data to train AI so that AI will be able to generate videos of someone maybe making coffee, or even pictures or whatsoever, or even languages, maybe speak, how to talk. So they use these things to train AI properly on how to speak. Just like some years back, if you notice, whenever AI generates video, you see that the voice sounds robotic. But as of now, it is becoming almost perfect. Some of the videos that are generated by AI now, you won't be able to tell unless someone tells you that this voice is AI. In the nearest future, it is still going to be getting better than what we currently know. And guess what? You cannot stop it. I cannot stop it. So the best we can do is to earn from it. And this is where this platform comes into the picture. So if you scroll up here, you can see this task now is going to be paying me about $0.07 per minute. That is $4.20 per hour. And the task here is screen recording, video task, audio task. So if I go ahead and click on the objectives, you can see, look at what they asked me to do. Screen record yourself performing a complex multi-step professional task in specialized enterprise software. We are training AI to understand how experts navigate between multiple tools, panels, and workflows to solve real businesses. So you can see, look at, they say will be rejected. No code editors. So don't use VS Code, Visual Studio Code, Cursor, Sublime, blah, blah, blah. These are, if you do any of these, they are not going to be paying you. So if you want to go ahead and do this task right now, you can just simply pick up your camera, do the recording, and then submit the content. Now, let me give you an expo. Sometimes when you read this test, you might be confused. For instance, when you read this now, you might not know exactly what they're asking you to do. So AI can still help you. What you simply need to do is to, you can copy this, put it in any AI of your choice, be it Grook, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or any AI of your choice. Tell it to explain to you, to break it down to you to your understanding. So by the time you're sure that you understand properly what they want you to do, you can now go ahead and do the recording and submit this task. And once you're done, they will approve you and it will be credited into your account. Now, if I exit from that now and I scroll up, you can see this one is audio task, which is multilingual. Now, let's see. Okay, important warning. You can see they say wear headphones and record in a separate room from your conversation partner to prevent audio echo. This simply means that whenever you want to do this recording, make sure that no one is around you and make sure that you are in a separate room that is going to be audible so that it is not going to pick another person's voice. And look at how they say, is it conversations naturals in Espanol, blah blah blah. So this one is basically for someone that can speak, I think, Espanol or that, but then I don't understand this language. So that is basically about that. Sometimes they might ask you to speak Yoruba. Sometimes they might ask you to speak Spanish. They might ask you to speak Espan. They might ask you to speak Spanish. They might ask you to pick absolutely any language. So if you understand the language, you can go ahead and complete that task. I hope some Nigerian languages like Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, Idoma, and some other languages are going to be here also. But then we'll check that again. Now, if I should scroll up, there are a whole lot of other tasks. I mean, they reward you for absolutely anything. They just want to train their AI. So this one should also be an audio task again. While this one is I think female conversation. Let me open it and see what is there. So look at what they say. Record a natural conversational audio in Tamil. We need authentic everyday conversations between two or more speakers discussing common topics. So you can see this is a task, as you can see. Like I said, all of these things they pick your voice, they use it to train AI on how to speak like humans, on how to have human conversation, how to, because AI does not have emotions, so it can copy emotions, learn from you. For instance, when I'm speaking now, they can train an AI that is going to speak like Tony Steck. So that is basically that about that. You can see this one now is Hindi conversation. Okay, if I scroll up, this one now is German conversation. This one is hotel cancellation, blah blah blah. There are also some conversations that are gonna be in English. So I'm trying to scroll up and see if okay, this is basically that about that. So I don't want this video to be too long, but from what you've seen on the screen here, you already understand how this website works. So if I go to the next page, which is number 2, you are going to see more tasks on this page. So this is basically that about that. In case you want to sign up on this platform, I don't know if they offer referral benefits or whatsoever. I've not looked into that and I don't think they do. But you can check the description box of this video. I'll drop the link there so that you can join. For those of you that are on my Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel, I will have dropped the link there already for you guys to sign up on it. And just in case you see this video on TikTok or any other social media platform, check the comment section. Tony Steck, I will have pinned it there, or you can send me a DM, requesting for the link, or join my Telegram channel, or you can basically drop a comment requesting for the link, and I am going to reply you with the link. Just in case, make sure that you are following me on X. Go and start for Tony Steck on X. This profile, I draw most of my updates there, even before I make videos on them, so that you stay in touch with me. You will not miss out. In my next videos, I'm going to be releasing more updates because there is ones currently that I discovered on Telegram that is rewarding people massively. So I'm going to be making a video on that next, but don't joke with this update. Milk it as much as possible. There is also something you need to take note of. If you register, you will not be getting approved immediately. So whenever you go to the website and then you submit your email, you fill in your details and do your registration, you will have to wait for some days. I think I waited for, is it 2 or 3 days or a week? I can't remember exactly the day that I registered. So I wait until they not approve me and send me an email that yes, I am eligible to start working for them, which is the email that you show at the beginning of this video. So if you receive that email, that is when you will now be able to proceed to do the task. That is basically about that. I'll see you in my next video.